Oh, you mother. You videoing?
Yeah. Here goes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
How awesome does that look, huh?
Really cool. What do you think, Jack?
Jack.
Is it good?
Yeah. I think I'm excited. Oh.
So what we're doing today is the ceiling. What we've done here is stuck a plumb line up to get the centre, and then what I've done is fixed cladding all the way out to the very end, so we know where to start and get the end piece. The reason for that is the middle bit is then in the dead middle, and the ends are going to finish at the same point. So what we're doing is we're fixing these in 16mm screws, which is 7.5mm cladding, 12mm batten, and a bit of Gorilla Glue behind just to get it sorted. So here's my helpers. Let's crack this out.
So we've just had our lunch break and we're now having a tea break. The roof ceiling is halfway done. We've got our electrical cables there and we are hoping that we've done it right, because we don't want to be pulling this down.
Hope not.
We've got Teddy in here, wrapped up nice and warm because it's really cold today. He's having a nice snooze. And then Jack is inside watching a film, so we can crack on.